Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp wallpaper with a conversation of some person, people or whatever, group chat, whatever you want to call it. When you open up your WhatsApp and you open up the person you want to customize your chat with, you can see that it has this little background, but I don't know if you see it real good, so let's just click the three little dots on top and just click wallpaper. Here you can see the dimming, it can be changed, it can be set to brighter or less than brighter, and just click on change afterwards. And here you can select bright, for example, backgrounds. I really like this one, for example, and I can click set wallpaper, and let me just dim it up a bit, like so, and go back. And now you can see my conversation has a different background. You can choose any of your liking. For example, you can even upload them. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.